Okay guys, so we're gonna go eat at the Aulani today because it is my cousin's birthday that I did not know about. We're gonna go eat. Let me put on my glasses and look like a
bad bitch.
But of course, before we get started with this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also click the subscribe button down below. Look how stunning I look.
Hello there.
Wearing a lanyard when I was younger, it made me feel like such a responsible bitch. Look how pretty he is. Look at that glare. Oh, it's because I'm a star. Look how big these koi fish are. They're fucking gigantic.
I know.
This tastes disgusting. Okay guys, so we just got inside the seating area. This is our table right over here. And we can go, it's a buffet, so we can go and eat everything.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's go get some food. But yeah guys, so we just finished eating and now we're gonna go take some pictures on the beach. Right now we're walking around the Aulani because, yeah.
Hello.
Don't drop it.
I'm not gonna drop it.
Hello.
This is one of my favorite pools. It closes at 11 o'clock at night. Oh no, the hot tub is closed.
We are in the Aulani. So guys, we are at the beach. They literally could have walked all the way around, but they is lazy to do that. I like your hair. I like the backpack. Warning, no lifeguard on duty. That means you can't swim, Jersey.
Shut up, I can swim.
No, you can't.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah.
I swam in 13 feet. So.
13 feet. Yeah, with floaties.
No. Dumb.
Sis.
Excuse me.
Oh, you're right.
Sorry.
Oh, okay. Very bad customer service. Yelp is a 0. They're getting married.
Hey guys. We're still walking to the beach on the trail. The water with the crocodile in it.
The water with it. The water with the crocodile in it, mate.
Whoop, whoop.
Hey guys, okay, so I just got home from the Aulani. Amazing day. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also click that subscribe button if you haven't already. And yeah, have a great day and I'll see you guys later. Bye.